This is how to master reset, factory reset, hard reset Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. Let's get into it. We're going to hold the volume up button. We're going to hold the power button at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. And then we're going to let go as soon as the Samsung logo comes up. And then the Android screen is going to come up. And then we're going to use the volume down to come and choose wipe data factory reset. Then we're going to use the power button as the OK. It asks us to confirm, volume down, factory data reset, and again we're going to push power button to confirm OK. Data wipe is complete, and we can reboot the system now with a completely clean and wiped phone. Thumbs up if this helped you, and subscribe.